take and make a video right quick. I know I got tape over my shirt and over my hat because I don't want you to know what company that I've leased on with. But messed around and have kind of bit myself in the butt, basically. I bought one of their trucks from them, and it come with automatic. Now, I know a bunch of drivers, you know, have different opinions about the automatic. I'm driving a brand new 2019 Kenworth. The interior is nice. It's got a Cummins in it, the new Cummins. Anyway, it has an automatic. And when I say it's got all the bells and whistles, I do mean it's got all the bells and the whistles on it. It's got, if you come up on a car too fast, it'll take and alert you, and it'll start slowing the truck down on its own. If you get over what they currently have it set at, it'll take and start whistling and let you know, hey, you're going over the speed limit, you're doing this, you're doing that. It's got sensors on the mirrors. If you was to run off the road, it's got a speaker on the passenger side. It's got a speaker right up here that'll take and start like that, let you know that you're running off the road. My only regret, I like the truck, I love it. It comes with a tri-pack APU. I love this truck, I love it. The downfall is it's automatic. It's a Eaton automatic. Now you can shift up to, you can put it in manual and you can shift up to I think it's 5th gear. This truck comes with a 10-speed. I filled up about 300 miles behind me, and I'm already on a half a tank. This truck's set up to run right now about 67, 68, which I'm gonna have it turned up a little bit more, see if that'll help. RPMs are going her down to 1,500 RPMs. That's everything it'll tack out. Going down the road, it only tacks at just up under 12,000 RPM. That's everything it'll do. I know some drivers sit there and say they love the automatic. It's the best thing to ever come out. But I can honestly say, from my experience, this is my first trip. It sucks. I mean, it really sucks. For it to downshift, you have to get down to 55 miles an hour. I went up a mountain, and with a light load, hardly nothing on it, I had to drop the gears myself. It did not want to drop. Other than that, when you go down a hill, it'll kick it out of gear, put it in neutral. It puts its own self in neutral. I don't like that. I'd rather, it stay in gear and keep that little bit of power to the tires. It may change when, we get it turned up, get it set, like we want it. Which I think 75 would be great for this truck. At 2150 RPMs, not going to kill it. But the automatic sucks. I mean, it sucks. I ain't got nothing good to say about it. Only good thing I can say about it, it helped going through the Atlanta traffic. When you have the Jake brake on and you start slowing down, you have to hit the brake or feather the brake for the Jake brake to come on. And when it does, all of a sudden it'll go from it'll go all the way down, I think, to like 7th gear, from 10th to 7th, and it'll tack out at about 2250, 2350. It's all kind of screwed up. Yeah, it dropped all the way back down to 30 mile an hour, going up mountains because of the way they got it set up. Hold on one second, I got a truck coming by me. Good God, what a computer. He's got a big old computer in that thing. It takes up the passenger side, the computer does. But anyway, it's terrible. This is the worst transmission. Just like this truck right here, my beeper's going to start going off. I know it is. He cut me right off. I'm looking forward to start beeping most of the time. But anyway, you know, I'll know more about it when I get it turned up, get it set like I think it needs to be. We'll go from there. But don't get an automatic. If you're gonna do anything, get a straight 10-speed with maybe overdrive. That would be my main thing, you know. If you don't like tall gears, get you a good 10-speed with a good overdrive in it. Don't mess with an automatic. Don't get an automatic. And I'm going to show you that it is an automatic.